Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove or cancel subscriptions on your Yahoo Mail account. It's quick, easy, and you can do it in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, you want to open your Yahoo Mail and sign into your account. And once you're logged in, you want to click on your profile icon, this one. You'll find this one at the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop-down menu, you want to choose account info, this one. Choosing this will take you to your main account settings page. And once you're in your account information section, you want to look for and click on subscriptions right over here. See this? All right. Now go ahead and click this. This is where you can view all the active subscriptions linked to your Yahoo account. You might see items like Yahoo Mail Plus, Yahoo Support, or other premium services listed here. As you can see, I currently have no active subscriptions, but this is where you can cancel a subscription. If you can see a subscription there, to cancel any subscription, just simply look for the one you no longer want and click on the cancel or X button next to it. Just confirm your choice if prompted, and that's it. The subscription will be canceled and you'll stop being charged for it. And there you go. You've successfully removed or canceled your Yahoo Mail subscriptions. And if this video helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more easy text tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.